and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for coming back for another decluttering video. Today we are tackling my bathroom. I don't know if I've told you guys, but I'm pretty much a hoarder when it comes to like shampoos and all things beauty. So I'm going to try to go through some of this stuff and get it all cleaned out, get rid of some things that I don't need or things that are expired or pretty much empty and I just can't let it go yet. But I'm going to go ahead and get started on here, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you've got some decluttering to do yourself, go ahead and sit back, relax, see if you can get some motivation from this, listen to the music, and I hope you enjoy.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do.
So as I was going through all this stuff, I got really overwhelmed with how much stuff that I had and what I wanted to keep and what I wanted to go ahead and get rid of. And I also had actually gone out to find some little containers to put a lot of my stuff in, but I'm actually getting ready to redo my bathroom, like in a whole different style. And I decided I was going to go ahead and wait to get that stuff before, I kind of decided the way I wanted to go about, the decor and all that stuff. So I'm really just going to clean all this stuff out and then get it all put back in there so it's nice and neat and decluttered. But yeah, I think I'm going to wait until I redo the bathroom to actually get some more of the organization things that I wanted.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always always took for granted. Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come, to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. It's breaking my heart, it's breaking my heart to see you acting like you don't care, like a nightmare. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come, to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. So what do we do when we're lost and depraved? I need you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so embarrassed to even admit how much of that makeup that I actually threw out. A lot of it was really old. A lot of it was just not my color anymore, or things that I don't wear anymore. And I just didn't feel right giving that away because it's just not sanitary. But it just makes my stomach hurt to look at all the money and stuff that I'm throwing away. But that will teach me a lesson to not keep going out and buying things that I definitely don't need. It's just things that I want.
with consequence. I found myself back again, crying on your shoulder. No, it's not good for me, but I still want your body. So dumb, but it's not over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't. And I complain and dismiss it, and I keep on reminiscing. I know, baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. And I should change, shouldn't need you, but I wake up and I miss you. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business.
All right, guys, I am all done and I feel so much better. It does look like I still have a lot of stuff, which I do. I promise you, I do use all this stuff, but I did get rid of a ton. You'll see here in a second an entire trash bag full. I really hope you guys got some good motivation to declutter some things of your own. I appreciate you guys coming back and watching another video of mine. Make sure you're subscribed before you leave. And as always, I love you and I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.